Welcome back. Today we're going to be focusing on how to combine shapes inside of Tinkercad. So as you can see, I have a red cube on the work plane as well as a triangular prism. So if I take the triangular prism, I want to be able to raise the prism up onto the cube. So you can see the black cone at the top of the triangular prism. And if I touch that cone, it allows me to raise the shape up and down. So I'm going to zoom out so I can get a better angle, better perspective, and I'm going to raise the shape. Now notice from this perspective, it almost looks like it's on top. But if I move my perspective, you can see it's not on top. So I have to continuously move my view or perspective around to make sure that I get my shapes lined up just right. And it might take a little bit. As you can see, when I zoom in, the shape is actually still floating. So I'll adjust it a little bit, as well as try to lower it down onto the shape. And you can see now it's actually inside of the shape. Zoom in, it looks like it's touching. But right now the shape is still a little bit off. So I'm going to slowly move it over, change my perspective. So some people think that these shapes are actually combined, and they're not combined yet because I could still move that shape off. So I'm going to press undo. What I'll do is I'll select the cube, and then I will select by touching the rectangular prism. So now both shapes are selected. And then in the menu bar, you'll see a square with a circle attached. And that's the group button. So if I group, now those two shapes become one. So go ahead and try exploring grouping shapes together to make them one object as opposed to two different.